so bright. What's up guys, it's John here. For today's video, I'm just gonna show you a quick video on our training that we did being a corpsman. We started some IVs and just check it out. It's gonna be a quick one.
I mean, you push the needle in too far. Go for it. Alright. Okay. So you want to make sure when you do it, you want to hold down. You can get some traction. You want to go?
It still has a lot of alcohol in it. Are you supposed to try it? Please try it.
So now you want to pull it.
Yeah, it's a short one right there.
Wait, go a little lower.
Vegas.
There you go. There you go.
Right here, that's probably more comfortable.
Low lower. There we go. Push.
This one tends to be pretty good.
Alright, you look at it, you should be able to see the flash.
Yeah, it's tricky to get. You wouldn't get it.
You missed. Alright, so you can kind of fish around a little bit.
Ooh, did he just said fish around?
Sorry. So pull out a little bit. Alright, now go advance a little bit in a different angle. Towards. Oh, I got it. Try to fish around. Fish around.
That's gonna hurt.
Pull out first. Don't pull it all the way. There you go. Now go ahead. Now push. Yeah, go for it.
It's coming out.
See
You
it?
see, yeah. You can see
No
it.
flashback?
I can see it, but it's not a lot.
Okay. Pull out. Hold on. Before you pull out, you want to pull this. Alright. Glove. Yep. Now apply pressure and pull out. The whole thing. Alright, good. Now pull.
No, it's okay.
It's fine.
Oh, one more, right? Oh, one more, right? Oh, one more, right? She can go up higher. You want?
Higher. Okay, take it.
Did you push it out a little bit? So that
Oh.
you...
You might want to.
And I shouldn't have said anything.
Right here. How many times are you gonna get stuck? Your vein is so weird.
See flashback?
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
It's coming out lower, and then push a little bit. Alright guys, it's coming out, but it's not a lot.
Okay. Pull out again.
Sorry.
It's
You know it
okay.
first.
It's okay.
If you have not, please stay here. At least one day, okay? We met for area before you go.
We got burritos back here for donations.
They're Band-Aid.
Donations only.
Wow.
Get it?
Yeah, got it.
Alright.
I'll get it.
You advance too much. I mean, you push the needle in too far.
She laughed because she pulled the needle really quick.
So what happened with that one, why it stopped, was because you advanced the needle way too far.
Too far?
Yeah, because you were already in. You just had to go in a little bit and then advance the capture. Yeah.
Nice one, thank you.
But yeah, it was still good because it was sticking out, but that would cause complications to him. That's okay.
Alright guys, so that'll be it for the video for today, and watch out for my next video. I'm going to be posting another video in a couple of hours. I'm editing one right now. It's going to be a part of my Navy bootcamp series, and hopefully it'll be a little bit helpful for some people that are thinking about joining the military and Navy in particular. And hopefully try to subscribe to this channel, like this video if you think it's pretty cool, seeing some blood. And other than that, you guys have a good day. See you in my next video. Peace.